Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix incoming calls not showing on iPhone. So, let's dive right in. To fix incoming calls not showing on your iPhone, follow these steps. Check Do Not Disturb. Make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If not, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Find the Focus option and tap on it. On the Focus page, look for the Do Not Disturb option and tap on it. Disable the toggle switch next to the Do Not Disturb option to turn it off. If the process does not work, check Call Forwarding. Ensure Call Forwarding is turned off. Go back to the main settings, scroll down to find the Phone app, and tap on it. On the Phone page, tap on the Call Forwarding option to check if it is disabled. If not, tap on the toggle switch to disable the Call Forwarding option. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.